Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, clink, clink. Can y'all see this hair? But hold up, before I get into this hair, I need to go ahead and talk about this wine here. I don't know why my bottle's always empty. Please don't think I'm an alcoholic. I just like to drink on the weekend. Wine I have today is Pinot Grigio. Pinot Grigios are like lemony, so they're a little bit more tart. They're not really sweet at all. And I'm sure a lot of you that have tried the cupcake wines, you can get this from any grocery store. Love this wine. Let's get into this hair. So this wig is from evahairwigs.com. Now, Eva Hair Wigs is an online wig store where you can buy wigs. I think you can also buy bundles as well. And they're at a really good, affordable price. And you get quality, customized wigs. Let me tell y'all something about this wig. I ain't do nothing to it. This came right out the box. And the only thing I did to her was bleach her knife. That's it. But look at that. So this is the pre-plucked lace human hair wig, 13x4 Brazilian curly LFW01, and it's in 22 inches. So I'll leave a link for this wig down below, but this wig, I didn't have to do anything to it to make her what she is right here. I'm gonna quickly show you exactly what I did to make this wig what it is, and then I'm gonna come back and let you know what I think about this wig, okay? So we're going to start off by bleaching our knots. Now, if you want to see what I used to bleach my knots, you can check out my last video, and I'll leave a link up above. But I just spread that all over the lace, and then I add some foil to help it process a little bit faster. Now we're going to turn the wig inside out. I'm using the L'Oreal Root Cover-Up to tint the lace as well as the blonde parts of the wig. I over bleached it, so be careful when you're using the foil method. I am going to cut off the excess lace on the front. And in order to adhere the wig, I'm going to use a wig grip to make sure my wig cap stays secure. And I'm using the Got To Be Glue gel just to place that onto my head, and we can make sure this wig is melted down. Make sure you cut off the lace at the back of the wig as well, just in case you want to wear your hair up into a ponytail or something. So now we're just placing the wig on the edges and using a comb just to make sure it's flat and melted. But in case there's like some lifted areas that you didn't get to, take your Got To Be Glued gel and place it right there on your edges, and use the blow dryer just to set it and make sure it sticks. That's how you get the ultimate melted lace. Now I'm just going to use a sash and place it on my head to set it, and I'll leave it on my head for like 20 minutes while I have some wine. And we're just going to take it off to show y'all what these melted edges look like. And look at that. So now that we're back, I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a quick review of this wig. First thing I love is the hair. The hair in the curl pattern is absolutely beautiful. Let me actually show you what the hair looks like. Now I don't know how the back looks, but so this hair, let me actually get up close, is extremely soft. I washed it with Aussie Moist conditioner. Put it on there for about 45 minutes. Like, these are the curls that I got. These are perfect vacation curls. Second thing I love is how they pre-plug this lace is perfection. Like, it's perfect. You can kind of see where the lace is right here. I didn't really blend it as much, but there you go. This is the lace. This wig, I give it a 10 out of 10. And I think it is worth the $150. I'll go ahead and leave a link for the wig down below. And I'll leave a link to all the products that I used on this hair down below as well. That's all. Cheers to good wigs. Hey, here you go. Clink, clink, clink. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.